So I will speak on behalf of my daughter, who is a newly elected mayor.
Oh, congratulations.
Because my term ended last month.
I see.
So since she's not yet aware regarding with the concern of the DNR, so we are very fortunate enough that during our administration, everything has been transformed. So now Nunungan is in the first development now. In fact, Nunungan is now reclassified as first-class municipality in the province of Lanao del Norte. We come up with this idea that since Nunungan is now a competitive municipality, so they say, modesty aside, so we keep on tapping different agencies in order for us to adapt and at the same time get more projects in order to sustain the development in the municipality of Nunungan. So we thank you so much for having this opportunity so that we'll be able to have more information regarding with more developments that we can apply in our area of responsibility, particularly municipality. Yes, again and again, we are asking more support from the national government, particularly the DENR. Knowing the fact that Nunungan possesses the largest land area in the whole province of Lanao. Yes. At the same time, the Nunungan is the only municipality that possesses the largest forest land in the whole province of Lanao. And also, what is aside, Nunungan is very potential when it comes to ecotourism. So to mention some, we have these 3 lakes, we have 4 waterfalls and 5 caves. Yes. So that is why, again, we keep on tapping national line agencies so that we will be able to sustain what we have in the municipality. Again, so I think that's all.
Thank you, Vice Mayor.